Video on how to do servicing on a Holden Colorado. So the first step is get the products that we need, which I don't have right now. Fuck's sake. Well, now we're back. The first we're gonna get some engine flush applied to the engine. Then we're gonna let it run for a few minutes and see how that goes. Usually the servicing on this car, I do it every 5 to 10,000 K. And yeah, she's been running for 330,000 kilometers and well, she does the job very well. So I really suggest that if you're having a car that you use very often, just do the servicing. That's what is gonna keep you going, or keep her going forever actually. All right. Okay, so now the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the air sensor of the airbots. We're gonna clean up the filter. We're gonna remove the old filter, which is here. So in order to remove that, we're gonna remove this hose over here. You just need a flathead screwdriver. Okay, let's do this. So usually the service takes me about maybe an hour since I went there. We need a 27 mil, what is it? 27 mil socket, chuck it in there. I usually like using an extension, that makes it easy. Jeez, why is it so hard today? Oh. Now, before you fully pull this out, you're gonna prepare the butts of the new filter so you don't make a huge mess, just like these hands. Fucking messy as fuck. It's gonna fit into here. You put a little bit of oil on it to make sure it is lubricated, and then you slide it onto the new cup. I'm gonna do the most important part, put the oil in. I'm gonna put 5 liters and then take it for a ride, see how the oil is settling in, and then we just top it up. This engine capacity is about 5.6, so the 6 liters bottle is just enough to make it work. Now we just gotta make sure that we pack up the oil, we dispose it correctly. Just bring it to Super Cheap Auto or whatever automotive store that you can put it. See you later. Cheers.